Okay, what we're going to have a look at in this video are the widget areas on the website. Now, what widgets are, they give your website functionality that appears on every single page. So by this, if we go across and have a look, we're back up into our main website. Now the bottom of every page has this footer on. Now I quite like this one. And this is using basically the header and footer builder to create that, and I would leave that as it is. I wouldn't say replace that with widgets. However, on your post pages or any of your pages, you can actually put in a separate area that appears, and this would be filled with what are the widgets. So we're in the bridal makeup package post, okay. And if you look down the side here where we put our featured image, as you scroll down you'll get to Astra settings and it's got sidebar. And what you can do is actually click on here and go, right, okay, I want a right sidebar in, and then update that page. Once that's updated, so if it's happened, we'll refresh if it's there. It has actually automatically put on all these side parts. These are widgets. Okay, so what we're going to do I'm going to go in, I'm going to show you how you can change these widgets to different things. So if you had lots of big blog, lots of information out there, lots of special offers, you could use this area to highlight all the different things that you're doing on your posts and in your blog and on your website. So to do that, you've come across the menu and then down to appearance, and here the widget area. So I'll just wait that to update. And these shows you the available widgets. The more premium features you have, the more this will fill out. But say if you've got social profiles, what you could do, you can either pick it up and put it in there. So we want to have our social, add a profile, .com. It's going to open into a new page. I'm going to choose an icon. Oh, there's Facebook there. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And then we can do another one. We can go, right, we're going to add another one. We're going to do Instagram.com. Okay. Yeah, want it on the official colours. We can do different settings to it, but we'll save that. Now if we go back to here, there we go, there's our two icons. Now they're not very big, so we're going to do them at 50 each, space between, say 20. Save. We'll refresh that. There you go. And now we have two links that link out to either page. And the same, you can have a look here. Close that down. You could have your address for your business. You could put in a calendar. Could put in images, galleries, your legal pages, a navigation menu, so you might want all your primary menu, a website. Save. If we wanted to get rid of some of these, the metadata, we don't want that. We don't want our old archives, we delete that. And then as we make these changes, these will appear on any page where the sidebar has been activated. So they're a great way. So for example, you're going to have your main pages and you want your address of your property on it, you want when you're open, you want your social links. So rather than designing it onto each and every page, you would just design the sidebar and then just activate the sidebar on that page and it'll all propagate automatically for you. Okay, so that's the sidebar, and then here at the bottom you can use the same principle for designing this bottom area. You just have 4 blocks which you would activate within Astra Options, Footer Settings, and you can switch it on so you get your 4-part footer layout. And at the bottom here you've already got one. This one's open, so this is this area here, I believe. I'll change it and see if it does do it. Is it powered by? So what I'm going to do, instead of having section 2, I'm going to put our footer menu in there. I'm going to publish that. Quite happy with the copyright with site title. No. So this is all part of the footer area, which I'm going to show you in the next video. However, if you wanted to change it and get rid of this and delete it, this is where it will do it in here. So there's no point in having that on. And then come back to there, and in the next video we're going to do the header and footer builder.